Hello everyone, welcome back to our Spoken English YouTube channel. I'm Max.
And I'm Ria. We are very happy to see you again. Today's topic is something many people love having pets.
Yes, Ria, pets bring joy, love, and happiness into our lives. So let's start our conversation.
Max, tell me something. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name is Bruno.
That's wonderful. I love dogs. What kind of dog is Bruno?
He's a pet dog, medium sized, with brown fur and big eyes. He's very friendly and playful.
Oh, he sounds cute. I have a cat at home.
Really? What's your cat's name?
Her name is Lily. She is a white cat with soft fur and a long tail.
People often say cats are quiet. Is Lily quiet?
Yes, she is very calm and clean. She loves to sleep all day.
That's interesting. My dog loves to run, jump, and play in the park
Next, why do you like having a pet dog?
because my dog is very loyal. He protects my house and makes me feel safe.
That's true. Dogs are very faithful animals.
Why do you like having a pet cat, Ria?
My cat helps me feel relaxed when I'm tired. She sits near me and purrs softly.
That sounds peaceful. Pets really help our mental health.
Next, what do you feed your dog?
I give him food, milk, and sometimes meat. I also give him fresh water every day.
That's good. I feed my cat fish, cat food, and milk.
Do you take your cat to the vet?
Yes, of course. A vet is a pet doctor. Regular checkups keep pets healthy.
I agree. I take Bruno to the vet for vaccines and medicine.
Next, do you train your dog?
Yeah, I teach him basic commands like sit, stay, and come.
That's great. Training makes pets well behaved.
True, cats are harder to train, right?
Yes, but they are very smart. Lily understands my voice and feelings.
Ria, do you think pets are good for children?
Definitely, pets teach children love, care, and responsibility.
I agree, children learn how to feed clean and care for animals.
Yes, and pets also become a child's best friend.
But yeah, having a pet is not always easy.
That's true. Pets need time, money, and attention.
They need daily care, exercise, and clean surroundings.
So people should adopt a pet only if they are responsible.
Yeah, would you suggest people adopt pets instead of buying them?
Yes, adopting pets gives a home to homeless animals.
That's a great message. Every animal deserves love and care.
So, friends, today we talked about pets, dogs, cats, and how they make our lives better.
We hope you enjoyed the dialogue and learned some basic English vocabulary about pets.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching. Take care.
Goodbye. See you in the next video.